Hello everybody, my name is Junsuki TV and welcome back to another brand new video. Today guys, I'll be showing a setup tour and a information description about the XLFF Generation 2 on-road camper trailer from Stony Creek Campers. So yeah, pretty much we've been using this since October 2020 and it's gone pretty well. So yeah, here is a inclusion of like some specs and stuff, and yeah, so you've seen that. So yeah, why not get straight into the setup? Let's go. So the first step of getting the setup of the camper trailer. So first of all, we unlock the locks and then we pull them up. The second step is to get that hook and open it. And then when you get that thing circle, you lock it by clicking with your fingers, and then what you do is you keep dragging it down until it reaches the end. So the third step is to pretty much get your keys that the provider has given you, and then you unlock the two keys, I guess, the lock, and then when you open it, you flip it down and put the stairs up. So the fourth step is to unlock those poles, so like the silver poles, and then you pretty much drag it up, so pull as high as possible, and just saying you have to do it all over again because it keeps going down. Got the step number, but pretty much the next step is to pretty much lock these door clicks. So you just click them and then they're locked. So yeah, keep doing that. The last step probably is to drag down those sheets. So yeah, they don't get any rain or any dust or anything, because you don't want to get anything inside them.